Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the environment. Make sure the device is charged above 20% and stop any writes. Once done, turn on airplane mode and disable automatic updates so nothing overwrites deleted blocks. You need the app name, associated account, and an approximate deletion date. These narrow search windows. Next, decide whether you'll use built-in backups or a file-level recovery tool because each path requires different permissions. Make sure you have admin access, a USB cable, and a separate storage target ready. You now choose the practical method. If a cloud backup exists, sign into the original account and restore the specific app snapshot. This is fastest and safest. If not, create a bit-for-bit disk image of the device to a separate drive. Do this with read-only settings to avoid corruption. Once you have an image, run a targeted recovery tool against it, filtering by app package name, file signatures, and the deletion date to prioritize likely matches. Make sure to export recovered files to a different medium. You finish by validating and restoring. First, inspect recovered files for correct timestamps, intact headers, and compatibility with the app. This prevents reintroducing corrupted data. Once verified, import files back into the app using its official import or restore function, or copy into the app container while the app is closed. If data doesn't load, retry using a different recovery algorithm or an updated signature set. If repeated attempts fail, escalate to a forensic specialist, because deep-level fragmentation or encryption may require expert handling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.